it's Kietha T. Welcome to my kitchen. Tonight we're going to prepare a simple personal size pizza. So let's get started. So the ingredients that we'll be using tonight is some shredded chicken, rotisserie chicken, green peppers, red peppers, onions, and garlic. Prego pizza sauce, mission flour tortillas. So let's go ahead and get started. We're gonna go ahead and put butter in the pan, and we're gonna add the chicken and all of those veggies. Okay, make sure the bottom of your pan is coated well. Go ahead and get the bottom of that pan well coated with your butter. Okay, I'm gonna put my onions into the pan first. Add those green peppers, followed by our green peppers. Next, we're going to add the garlic. Adding garlic. Okay, let's go ahead and add in that chicken. And again, this is a personal size pizza, so we don't need very much. I have my pizza pan here. I'm going to take our taco shell and put it right on that pizza pan. And we're going to put that in the oven for just a little bit. I like it to get a little toasted up just a little bit before I go ahead and top. We've now taken the taco out of the oven. Let's go ahead and prepare. We're going to first start by adding our sauce. And I like to start in the center and just swirl it around. You can do as much or as little as you like. It's yours. If you like a lot of sauce, do a lot of sauce. If you don't like a lot of sauce, then don't use a lot of sauce. It just depends on what you like. Okay, that's the sauce on our taco shell. A little cheddar right on top. Again, folks, this is all depending on what you like. So I just put down some cheddar cheese. Now I'm going to add the other mixture. Okay, we're going to follow that up with some mozzarella. And we're going to go in with a little bit more of that cheddar cheese. We're going to put that back into the oven. Here she is. Isn't she a beauty? Look at all that goodness. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope that you have enjoyed this video. This is a very simple personal size pizza that anyone can prepare in their own home. Again, thank you all. Go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already. Be blessed, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.